Konnichiwa, Tomodachi. So, today I'd like to start amazing learning journey for about past tense. What is past tense? It means digita. It makes something like the past tense. Okay, so let's think about. I would like to say um the cat watching the cat watching TV. But if I would like to tell the cat was watch the TV, how I could do it. Okay, so you could do it like that. You can say neko wa neko ga neko wa eiga mimashita. So I think it will be like that. So if we say like wasn't watch, it will be neko wa eiga mimakunakatta. Means right. So let's start. So with the past tense, you've been doing great with present future tense so far, which is must and must. It marks right now. But we'll start for past tense. Now it's time to look at the past tense. In this lesson, we'll start with the past tense for this. We'll cover the past tense of possible, polite, sorry, the must, verbs in the next lesson. Okay, let's start. Here we have des, it will be dejita, right? To start off, if you want to talk about something that was true in the past, you will change like what, like that. Des will be dejita. But the critical point here, to start off, if you want to talk about something that was true in the past, you'll change des to dejita for past, okay? So let me continue here an example. So to understand correctly what I mean, yeah, what it's saying, gakusei, 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 gakusei desu, gakusei dejita. Gakusei mean what? Gakusei, I just forget it. Maybe the lesson, school study, what? Let me check it. Oh, what is this? Let's change it. So let's make it Japanese. Japanese. English. School, right? I remember. Gakusei desu. So gakusei dejita. Like was school. It was school. Let's check if that's correct. So this one is like present tense. Let's check it. I'm a student. Oh, it was changed. Okay, this is student. It will change in this point. I'm a student. Gakusei desu. Another one. I was a student. I was student. It was like the past tense, right? Yeah. I was a student. It makes was and were, right? So we were a student. I was a student. It will change. It will make past tense, which means the Jita will do that, right? So still, I'm not talking about the negative. So just we are talking about positive side, okay? So for example, if you use to be a student instead of saying "gakusei desu," I'm a student, you will say "gakusei deshita." If it is before, let's say you're with your friend and you want to say right now, present tense, "gakusei desu." I'm a student. Watashi wa gakusei desu. But what if you would like to tell the friend, I was a student like 4 years ago, you should say, 学生でした。私は学生でした。Right? It will be good. You can also ask questions in the past tense just like to learn before by adding ka. So, to the end of your statement or by using a question word, you can use dejita for any of the patterns we learned earlier that use des. Okay, let's look. So you can say gakusei desu ka, but you could put their pronouns. I don't know what you're talking about. What about who, like who will be the direction? So in this case, just put your ka. Let's look at word writing. Oh, oh. Sha, shana, I, des. Janai des. Janai des mean, you remember this one is negative, I think? Janai des, right? Kunai des, janai des. They are all negative. So what is happening here? If we want to make it past tense, it happening jari, jari, jarima sendejita, jarima sendejita, jarima sen. So in this point, janai will be just ja, and after that arimasen, arimasen which is the masen, no, um, arimas, imas. So in this case, imas will be for animate objects. Arimas, um, arimas will be for inanimate objects, right? Ja arimas, ja arimas dejita, ja arimasen dejita. It will make negative, right? Let me check it. What it means. We can check it, right? It's saying it wasn't, right? Ja arimasen dejita. It will be past tense and negative. So kunai kunai will be he maybe ku arimasen nejita. It will be something else like that. So the first one is right. So it is just not. So there are Janitas. So there are two ways to make ja naides past tense depending on your level of formality, which is it can change from about formality and informality. So what is your point? I mean, if you're in government official office, so it will be formal. But if you're outside with your friend, you should use different one. The first and more formal is to use more formal. Yeah, ja arimasen, ja arimasen, which is just a more polite version of janai. Ja arimasen, it is polite. Ja arimasen, janai, janai will be at digita. So in this case, it will be normal version, polite version of janai. So let's use, if you are in formal place, much formal place, let's use ja arimasen. If you're next to your friend, let's use janai deshita. Okay? Jaremasen deshita will be in formal place. Janai des, janai deshita will be in normal friend place, right? Let's come down. What is saying? Janai des. It is same, I told you. So, ja, na, I, ku, janai, janai, katta desu. Janai katta desu. What it means katta desu? Let's check. It's coming from kunakatta desu, I think. So, but let's check what it means. Janakatta desu. It wasn't. It is again same. It is very mixed, but don't mix your mind. Don't blow your mind. The other way to make a negative noun past tense is to conjugate like ja, nai, using a similar pattern to how we learned to string adjectives together. You'll drop to e from janai. It will be jana, right? Jana. Before finishing with jana konakatta, jana something else. Let's look here. What we have? Lots of things. Okay, let's check it. It's saying sakana jana. Sakana janai desu. Sakana janai desu. Right? Sakana janai desu. The fish is something else, but it wasn't fish, I think. Yeah, it's not a fish, right? I told you it's something else. And the sakana ja'ari ja'arimasen dejita ja'arimasen Digit. Arimasen. What is that? Digital, right? So it will be formal. It will be formal, believe me. It wasn't what? It wasn't what? Oh my god. So where is the sakana? Let's tag it and come back to the. Yeah, let's come on. Let's do it faster. I don't wanna I don't wanna update you right now. Let's go. It wasn't a fish. Sakana jari wasen digita. It will be formal place. Okay? Another one. Sakana jari jana ikuna jana katta desu. Katta desu. There is another one formal way. So if something wasn't fish instead of sakana janai desu, you could say either if something like it wasn't something else, you should use negative side, which is sakana jarimasen dejita. Jarimasen dejita. So janai, it's coming from janai. We're just using ja, okay? And after that, we putting there arimasen, which means like something not there, right? It is about extinction and like internal, external things anyway. So let's later we putting there digita. It makes something past. So, sharimasen digita guna. Digita kat. Sharimasen 1 minute. Ja. Oh, sakana ja katta desu. Jana katta desu. Katta is coming from kuna. Katta. Kunai desu. Past adjectives. Let's start for past adjectives. I hope you got it, right? If you got it, that's perfect because it will be very nice. Past adjectives. We could try to understand it. In Japanese, not only can nouns and verbs become past tense, but adjectives can too. This will be very crazy for you, I believe. In Japanese, not only, like, yeah, it's not that. Usually, we'll not see past tense adjectives modifying nouns taught only on their own. Not adjectives. Let's come down. What we can do with the not. So, not adjectives. Not adjectives will become past tense in the same way that nouns to using what, digita, will be ja, na, jana, ka, ta, jana, katta desu. Jana katta desu, right? Digita, jana katta desu. Let's check it. Let's check out. It wasn't. Jana, it's na, and katta desu. It's going there. Right? This is good point to understand everything correctly. Jana katta desu. It's not digita. So, now will be here our key point. So what is saying? Hewa, hewa, oh, hewa, heha, hewa ki, hewa, what is that? Hewa ki, re, hewa ki re, hewa ki re desu. What is hewa ki re desu? I don't remember. It is present tense, right? The room is beautiful. Hewa ki re desu. The room is why beautiful ki re desu. It's not skides, it's curious. The room is clean. Why the curious is it makes something else? I really don't know this. Our translate is very bad. And this one is it wasn't a clear room, I think. It's Hewa Heva Kirei Dejita. It wasn't a clean room. The room was beautiful. Oh, okay. Just put digital. It will be was beautiful, like past. But if we put there, let's say, hey, hey, heva kirei uh, kirei konakatta. It will be maybe the room wasn't beautiful. So I think the translate is also very bad. But I will open the another translate maybe after some time. So if you want to say the room was clean, but maybe it's not now, you'll use the sentence above. So this one, what is that? What is it? What is this crazy thing here? So um, sushi. No, no, not sushi. But what is it? You know, class. Kurasu. Kurasu. Still, I have some problem with katakana. Uh, kurasu wa shizuka. What is shizuka? I forget it. Kurasu wa shizuka. Shanai. Janai desu. What is janai? It was something uh, present, but what? The class is not quiet. Yeah, Shizuka mean is quiet, I think. Yeah. The one, Kurasua, Kurasua, Dezu, Dezuka, Shizuka, sorry, Shizuka, Janai katta desu. Janai katta desu. Yeah, Janai desu. Was the class was quiet. Let me open Japanese translate. Japanese translate. What is better? Right. Oh my god. Let's come on, open it. What is that? Let's translate. Deep L translate. Right. That one is really, I like this. This is very nice. Sorry. Just I will open here Japanese. Oh, already something there. Just I'll put this. Kurasuwa Shizuka. Kurasuwa Shizuka じゃないかったです。じゃないかったです, right? Let me check what is. I'll open it. Class wasn't quiet. I told you it will change. Kurasuwa Shizuka じゃないかったです. It will be past tense and negative. The another one will be different, right? It will be normal one. じゃないです. But nearby, the class wasn't quiet. It will make wasn't like katta. Yeah, じゃないかった. Let's get copy back. Okay, and come back here. Bam. I'm not in class. What is that? I'm not in a quiet class. Oh, okay. So yeah, I know what this means. So the class is there. Okay, it will be present tense, future tense. It will be past tense. Okay. So what is here? Da, 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 da. Or if the class wasn't quiet, the sentence would look like this. Yeah. Another way it will be like that. So all right. Oh, let me go up a little. Okay. Right here. Okay, the point will be, I think here will be the best. Now, yeah, the point will continue from here. Yeah, so it will be good. Yes, let me continue. What we have here, sushi ga 好きです。好きでした. Like, I was like sushi. I think it's like that. Let me check it. 私は寿司が 寿司が好きです。好きでした. Let me check it. I had a sue for sushi. What do you mean? I like the sushi, right? The another one. What? A, I, aka, aka, aka ga kirai, janai katta desu. I didn't know what aka. What does mean aka? I didn't hate the redness. I think aka mean like red. Mm, yeah, I didn't hate the red. So it here aka, akaga, kirai mean like didn't like. No, like not don't like, right? After that, this one, like janai katta, janakatta, janakatta this. I didn't hate the red. Okay. Our special adjectives is ski and gray. Like and didn't like unlike. Will work the same. In here, what we have is no, what is ire? Isega, I think. Isega E. I didn't know. Isega Isogasi, right? Isogasi katta. Busy was busy. Isigatta. Katta making. Isogasi. Isagashi. Isagashi katta. Katta will make here the past tense. I mean, like, yeah. For a adjectives, you'll need to get rid of the final e, just like in our other adjective conjugations. Then you'll add here katta. Katta, just like when you learn in past negative nouns and adjectives. So I told you it will make past negative. Okay, katta. So nouns and adjectives. You see, Janai basically is an adjective. You have seen this already. Yeah, I know. Janakatta. Janakatta, it's something else making past negative. So if you were busy, you'd say isogasi. So sorry. Isogasi katta desu. Isogasi katta desu. 私は isogasi katta desu. I've been busy. I've been busy. Let's check from here. Oh my god. Let's get it back there. Pack it. Come on back to here. Put it. Was busy. Isogasi katta desu. Yeah. Katta will make it past negative. Yeah. I was busy. Okay. Here also what we have another sentences. So let me check it. Yeah. So here what we have. So sore ni no sore wa nya yasa shi ga katta. What does it mean? Oh, sora ni. Oh, let's come back to here. Get it back. Go back there. It was easy. それは優しかったです. Yasashikatta des. If you would like to do it. Like it wasn't easy. So what we would to do, yasashi, yasashi, kunakatta. Yeah, kunakatta will make it past tense. So, yasashikatta. Yeah, wasn't easy. So it was easy. That was easy. You will use the sentence about number, right? E will be here. What? Yeah. Yeah, I know making, right? Yeah. Was good. Yokatta. So katta will be yokatta. Was good. Kata for it. Makings also. Remember our only regular adjective, it will continue to follow the same pattern and conjugate as if it were yeah. So you'll say yay like yay kata. So right. In the past tense, yeah, gunakan like yagata, yagata, right? It will be yai, yai will be yaigata. If you would like to say for the past tense, if you would like to tell. So to come here, and which one is here? So it's saying sa ku na i sakunai. What is it? Sakanai. I didn't know that. Let me check it. Halt. Sakana, sakarata. Samukunai. Samukunai not called. Kunai means backing not. Samu I didn't. Samukunai will be Samukunakatta. Samukunakatta it wasn't called. Kunakatta will be here. Kunakatta will make it past tense. Negative past tense will work in the same way we already that we know we'll drop e and add the what? Kunai. To make the adjective negative, I will do the same thing again. So, I told you that. So you'll drop to E from the here. So kunai, ending kunakatta, will make it like kunakatta. So if you want to say um, just like was good or was cold, you'll say samurai kat, samurai kunai, samurai kunai. If you want to say wasn't, samurai kunakatta. Katta, we'll put there katta. Okay? We'll drop the ear after that. Katta. After that. So it wasn't called would be Samukunai katta. Let's come down. It's saying ta taco, takoyaki, takoyaki, takoyaki wa atata takoya takoy takoyaki takoyaki wa atataki atataka 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 konakatta desu. Let me do it a little bit fast. Um, I will be very fast. Let's start. Takoyami, takoyaki, takoyaki wa, takoyaki wa atataka, takoyaki wa atataka konakatta desu, konakatta desu. This is like crazy. Takoyaki wa atataka konakatta desu. The takoyaki was not warm. Yeah. And the takoyaki fried balls of an octopus when warm would look like this. Isn't it just fun to say? That's fun. So with the just new few changes, the easiest being des, digita, and janai to janegata, janeganagata, janai gatta des, janegata des. Yeah, des will be digita. Janai will be janagatta. Yeah, you can change the entire sentences into past tense. Janagatta. When you say janagatta, it will be past tense. When you say janai, it will be now. So when you say das, it's present, future, present tense. When you say digita, it will be past tense. It's all. That's finish. Japanese preposition, Japanese word subject, past tense, want was finished right now. So the next lecture we will continue with past tense again. So because this is a little bit wide subjects, and I believe it will get. Thank you very much for joining. 私は好きです。好きです。私の友達。